Nature's explosions, the power of Earth's phenomena. Welcome, young adventurers, to an exciting journey through the explosive forces of nature. Nature is full of surprises, and one of the most incredible and awe-inspiring things we can witness is an explosion in the natural world. These explosive events are not just about big bangs and fiery blasts. They are often powerful processes that shape our planet and ecosystems in profound ways. In this video, we'll explore some of nature's most stunning explosions, from the eruption of volcanoes to the violent force of thunderstorms, and even the rapid spread of wildfire. These natural explosions remind us of the raw power and beauty of Earth's dynamic processes. Let's get started and explore the powerful explosions that make our world both dangerous and amazing. Volcanic eruptions, Earth's fiery explosions. One of the most dramatic explosions in nature is a volcanic eruption. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface that allow hot, molten rock called lava, ash, and gas to escape from beneath the Earth's crust. The eruption happens when the pressure inside the volcano becomes too great for the Earth to contain. When this pressure is released, it can cause massive explosions that can be heard miles away and felt as earthquakes. Imagine standing on a distant hill and watching a volcano erupt. Lava fountains shoot up into the sky, ash clouds rise hundreds of meters above the ground, and fiery red lava flows down the side of the volcano like a river of fire. While this sounds exciting, volcanic eruptions can be very dangerous, as they can destroy nearby towns, change landscapes, and even affect the climate by sending large amounts of ash into the atmosphere. The Mount St. Helens eruption in 1980 is one of the most famous volcanic explosions in modern history. When it erupted, the force was so powerful that it blew off the entire side of the mountain. The eruption caused a massive shockwave, and ash traveled across the United States, causing problems for air travel and crops. But even though volcanic eruptions can be destructive, they also play a critical role in the creation of new land. For example, the Hawaiian Islands were formed by volcanic eruptions, and every eruption builds up new land, creating more room for life. Lightning strikes, the explosive energy of thunderstorms. Another explosive natural phenomenon that happens in nature is the lightning strike. We all know thunderstorms can be scary, but did you know that lightning is actually a giant electrical explosion? Lightning occurs when the clouds in a thunderstorm build up electric charges. When these charges become too great, they discharge in the form of a lightning bolt, which is an enormous burst of electricity that travels between the clouds or from the cloud to the ground. The power of a single lightning bolt is mind-blowing. A lightning strike can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, around 30,000 Kelvin. This heat causes the air to expand rapidly, creating a shock wave that we hear as thunder. The force of a lightning strike can also cause fires, damage buildings, and even injure people. In some parts of the world, lightning strikes are so frequent and intense that entire forests can be set on fire, leading to widespread wildfires. So, even though lightning is a beautiful natural phenomenon to watch from a safe distance, it also carries immense power and can cause dramatic changes to the environment. Wildfires, nature's fiery explosions of growth and destruction. Speaking of lightning, one of the most destructive explosive events caused by it is a wildfire. A wildfire is a fast-moving fire that spreads across forested areas, grasslands, and even urban areas when conditions are right. Wildfires can be started by lightning strikes, human activity, or even by natural events like intense heat waves or volcanic eruptions. Once a wildfire starts, it can spread rapidly, fueled by dry vegetation, high winds, and steep terrain. Wildfires are explosive in nature because they can move at an incredible speed, consuming large areas of land in a matter of hours. The intense heat causes trees, bushes, and other vegetation to burn and release gases into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and climate change. While these fires are devastating and destructive, they are also a natural part of many ecosystems. Some plants actually rely on fire for their seeds to germinate. After a wildfire, new plant life can quickly grow, making way for a renewed and healthy forest. One of the most famous wildfires in recent history occurred in Australia's Black Summer of 2019 to 2020, when fires burned across vast areas of land, destroying homes, wildlife habitats, and entire communities. But even in the wake of devastation, the land regenerates over time, showing how nature can recover after explosions of destruction. Tornadoes, spinning vortexes of power and fury. Another explosive natural phenomenon that is truly spectacular to watch, from a safe distance, is the tornado. A tornado is a rapidly spinning column of air that is connected to both a cloud and the Earth's surface. Tornadoes can form during thunderstorms when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air, causing strong winds to rotate. The force of these winds can reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, and the tornado's narrow, focused path can cause incredible destruction. Tornadoes are especially dangerous because they are unpredictable and can strike with very little warning. Their explosive power can tear apart buildings, uproot trees, and fling objects through the air like projectiles. However, tornadoes also play an important role in nature by redistributing energy and nutrients across ecosystems. The Tri-State Tornado of 1925, one of the deadliest in U.S. history, traveled through Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana, killing over 600 people and causing massive destruction. Tornadoes like this remind us of the power of nature, but they also showcase how the planet's weather systems work in extraordinary ways to maintain balance. The Big Bang, the birth of stars and galaxies. Nature's explosions don't just happen on Earth, they also occur far beyond our planet in the vastness of space. One of the most incredible explosions in nature is the supernova, the explosive death of a star. When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses in on itself and explodes in a massive burst of energy, sending shockwaves across space and releasing elements into the universe that can form new stars, planets, and even life. Supernovae are some of the most powerful explosions in the universe, and the energy released during these events can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks or even months. These explosions help spread important elements like carbon and oxygen into space, which are essential for life. Without supernovae, the universe wouldn't have the building blocks necessary for life to exist on planets like Earth. The power of nature's explosions. From the fiery eruptions of volcanoes to the lightning strikes in the sky and the spinning fury of tornadoes, nature's explosions show us the incredible forces at work in the world around us. These explosive events remind us of the planet's power to change and shape the environment, creating new landforms, affecting weather patterns, and even impacting life across ecosystems. While some of these natural explosions can be dangerous, they also serve an important role in maintaining the balance of our world. They can create new habitats, spread nutrients, and even influence the weather and climate in ways we are still learning about. So, the next time you see a lightning bolt flash across the sky or hear the distant rumble of thunder, remember that these powerful forces are part of the dynamic systems that make our planet unique and ever-changing. Nature's explosions, while awe-inspiring, are just another reminder of the raw beauty and power of the natural world. This script explores the fascinating, explosive events that occur in nature, providing a comprehensive look at their science, impact, and significance. It's educational, engaging, and highlights both the destructive and creative power of nature's explosions. For oh many